Today, I'm going to be installing a full Mishimoto cooling system for my RSX Type S. Let's check out this radiator first. Nice. Slim fans. Silicone hoses. The 80-degree fan switch. And the 68-degree thermostat. I just opened everything up. It all looks great. And it's time to start working. So the front bumper's off and the car is up in the air. Now I'm gonna take this T-bar off, these mounts, and drain the coolant. And don't forget there's a bolt at the bottom of the T-bar down below. I've got the fans unplugged and the coolant hose is off, so it should be ready to come out. Now that the radiator's out, I'm gonna replace that thermostat housing with this new one. It's just 3 10mm bolts, real simple, and then put these new hoses on. Thermostat and hoses are in, and now I'm ready to start assembling this new radiator. So first thing I'm going to do is take off this plug, which is where the temperature switch for the fans goes. Just throw that right in there. And I'm going to tighten that with an adjustable wrench. And then you're also going to want to tighten your drain plug with the adjustable, because as you can see, they send it not all the way tight. Just drop these slim fans on. These lower tabs line up, and then these upper tabs have these 10mm bolts that go in. And the plugs are ready to plug right into the OEM harness. I just dropped the radiator in, plugged in the fans, hooked up the hoses and the switch. So it's just about ready to fill. A couple more final touches. It's all back together. Everything's assembled, and it's just time to bleed it, and then she'll be ready to go. For drive, I did multiple pulls, hitting VTEC, and cruised around on a nice hot summer day. And it's still idling well under half. Just heard the fans kick in, so you know they're putting in work. Keeps it a lot cooler than stock, prevents heat soak and all that, so it's good stuff.